Going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Back with my homie with the vet. We're gonna be hitting a little meet out in LA today. My boy got the vet all detailed. All right, about to head out. Yeah, that shit looks fucking nice rolling. So badass. Probably pick up the camera once I get to the car meet with this guy. So catch you guys then. What's going on, you guys? I actually just got back home and I didn't really record much of the meet because I'm still getting used to all this vlogging stuff. So I don't know, I just didn't have the courage, or not courage, but I just didn't have I just wasn't I don't understand. I'm tired. It's 1 in the morning. It's like 1:30, and like I said, I just got back home. Sylvie's here, and I'll just add this on to like another video that I plan on doing. Sunday I'm supposed to go up to Big Bear Offroading, so I'll probably add it to that vlog. But we'll see if I record anything tomorrow. If I don't record anything tomorrow, then definitely I'll upload it to Sunday's vlog. What's going on, you guys? It is about a week later. I didn't record anything from the car meet. I think I recorded a video actually explaining why I didn't record, but I didn't record when we went off-roading either. My bad, that was my fault. But today's video is going to be a little insta on the WRX. I ordered the Boomba short shifter plate. We'll be installing that today. Alright, guys, so now I actually had to take the shifter cable completely out. This mount has 2 bolts, which are these 2 right here. These are 2 12mm bolts, which they go one right here and one up there. And then now the video explained to take this whole metal mount off, the trans mount, I guess. I'm gonna try to avoid that. Now I just have to hit that little pin out. I don't know if you guys can see it from right there, but I'm gonna try to hit that out from here, and that whole plate should come out. Alright, guys, so unfortunately you do have to take that brace off, because if not, you have no space to smack that little stud out. So these 2 side ones are 17 and 2 in the middle are 14s. I really don't have a punch to hit it out, so I'm just gonna use a really small screwdriver. Hopefully that doesn't mess anything up. But now you can see the punch is right in there, and I'll get to you guys once I get that knocked out. You guys, so after about an hour of fighting with this, it's out. This is the OEM one. This is the boomba one. The boomba one is significantly heavier, way heavier. And yeah, as long as you guys have the right tools, which I don't have the right tools, the punch should be way easier to get out. But since I don't have the right tools, it was kind of a pain in the ass to get out. But now it's just to throw everything back together, and then we'll take it for a quick little test drive, see how it feels. Alright, you guys, so for the most part I got everything back in already. Put the shifter cable back. I put the Boomba plate already in. I should have compared it to the OEM one. But for the roll pin, or not the roll pin, but the little pin, I recommend you guys to kind of smack it in a little bit before putting the whole plate in, because if you try doing it with the plate in there, you have no space at all. You have no space. So at least smack it in just a little bit, get the pin in there, and then once it's in there, smack everything else in. Just gotta put the little cover back on wherever it's at. I don't know where I put it at, but I have to put the cover back on with the 2 12s right here. Then I gotta put this little mount back in, and then we go take it for a test drive. Alright, guys, so I did pull out the car already. Just by feeling it already, the gears or the throws are way shorter, so that's a huge plus. I think that's what this car was missing the whole time, because I have the Torque Solutions short throw shifter, I have the Perrin shift stop, I don't know, the little bracket or mount that goes in here. I have that Perrin. and then I have the parent brass bushing underneath for the cable, and then I also have, well, now I have the boomba shifter plate. But just by filling it, man, those throws are way shorter, so that's a huge plus by boomba. But I think I'm gonna end the video right here, you guys. I'm gonna go test drive the car real quick, but that will be the end of today's install. I should have another video out maybe this weekend or maybe by next week for sure. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.